attention to every part of the body. Look at the foot, look at the knee, look at the pelvic. Almost in this class, 80% to 85% are having these alignments. Look at the pelvic, look at the knee. Is Tadasana happening? Come back. Good. Okay, the first thing is, just come to the middle here. This pose is an open pelvic pose. What is this pose is? Open pelvic pose. Where the feet goes apart, we call it open pelvic. And where the feet goes like a Caesar, we call it closed pelvic pose. So you all are right now, what I'm seeing, this is a open pelvic pose and your approach is coming from closed pelvic pose. So already the foundations are wrong. Are you getting me here? Like in this pose, the approach is go open pelvic like that and right foot out 90, left here, and then you go for the pose. Almost all of you are going so the already pelvic is wrong there. So this is not a right approach. So the right approach is come to Tadasana in the middle of the mat. Yes. First take Tadasana here. Both hands on the waist. Now pay attention to every step. How to go into the pose. Bend your knee. Take the both hands on the waist. So you know your pelvic is aligned. Take the left foot to the left. Right foot to the right. Now here. Gap can be according to the person 3 to 4 feet gap. Are you clear about it? Gap is not anything, okay, it has to be 4 feet. No. If the legs are short, how to do 4 feet? So it's always according to a person, we have to find it out. So let's see, this gap is good for her right now. So we have to bring Tadasana on this foot. Now take the right foot in, turn the toe in, like see the toe is turning out, so it's not a Tadasana. Turn the foot totally in a little more, toe in, so the front of side of the foot in line with the mat. Bring it, my dear, and relax the toes. That side also. So this side is in line there and toe in, so sacroiliac joint is open there. Now we will see kneecap. Control now. Pull the thighs up, buttocks down. Control, shoulder blade down and back. Tadasana happen. Now we are going to do first on the left leg. So what we will do, take the right foot inward at least 15 to 45 degree angle in. So there is a room in the body to move. Then bend your knee and turn the left foot out 90 degree. Understood? Now when this has happened, anterior tilt has happened. Understood here? So what we will do, and then we can see, are you able to pay attention here what I am going to show? You have to sometimes move here and there. So look at the knee area. Is knee and second toe one line? Not at all. And hip joint is not moving at all. So how to approach this pose? Turn the foot in. Okay. Now bend your knee. Take the foot 45 degree angle out here, just here. But keep the knee bent. Keep the knee bent 45 degree. Now bring the left hand under the left thigh, outside, front side. And roll from the hip joint here, not the body. Pay attention. As she is moving, the body is moving. No. This quad contract. So you are not going to move this thigh. Clear everyone? This thigh will not move. Move from the hip joint. Don't move the upper body. No. Whole body still. Whole body still. Give me the belt, my dear. Sharon, come here. Hold her thigh. So this part is not moving. Okay? Now only move the hip joint, not the body. And then take the 45 degree, 90. And heel is in line with the arch of the right foot. So bring the heel here in the middle. Alright, good heel. Now take the gap lesser because too much gap. Bring the foot back here. Back here. Alright. Straighten the leg. Pull the kneecap up. Pull the kneecap up. Just keep. Take the lesser gap because your hips are tight. Is a gap too much right now. Take the feet more back. Alright. Much easier now. Good here. Now straighten the leg. Straighten the leg. Take the hand on the waist area. Now the knee is still turning inward. So it means if she's going to do the pose, it's going to be harmful her. Use the outer thigh muscle to roll out. What happened to the knee? Goes there. Now buttocks down. Buttocks down. This left buttock cut in. This left buttock cut down. Ribs in. Roll the thigh out. Roll the thigh out. Roll the thigh out. Now bend the knee. And the knee and second toe one line. Now again cut this buttock in. Cut this buttock in. Knee and second toe one line. Straighten the body. So are you feeling any pressure on the knee? No. Now what we are seeing, her buttocks are going back, body is going forward. What it means, straighten the leg. That inner thigh is really tight and it is not allowing the room here. So for this person, we will give the alignment heel in line with the toe here. So bring the foot forward here. Here we go. Now roll the thigh out, buttock down, ribs back, Tadasana. Don't worry. Now bend the knee. Knee and second toe one line. Buttock control. Buttock control. Now straighten the arms. Okay. Feel that somebody is pulling you back. Now you can leave the chair. Somebody is pulling you back. Somebody is pulling you back towards your right foot. So feel this mount big. Straighten the thigh here. Now stretch the arm. Buttocks down. And look towards the finger. How the pose is right now.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.